Aerial is GME 6.6 decibel gain, 1.2 meter, and then we got ARB deluxe bar, powder coated white, and then I think we got 28-inch steady light bar Duro, hung on by their steady hoop or ball bar, the ball bar brackets. Inside the bar got a carbon winch, 12,000 pound. 5-inch lift with adjustable Fox remote reservoir 2.0s, coils and comprod radius arms powder coated white, parabolic 4-inch rear leaves with Boss Air triple bellows. Got 6 allied goannas 17x9s with neg12 offset and nitto trail grapplers 35, 12.5, 17. My exhaust is my pride and joy. Got 5-inch dump to twin 4-inch done by GSL.
So what we've done in this is, battery wise, we're running two 110 amp hour AGMs up top. So he's got, what's that, 220 amp hour of battery life in this thing to start with. And then we just went simple, we just went small panel board down here. So what we're running is the 1240D from Red Arc to obviously charge our batteries. This does have the solar input as well. Being the D, it simultaneously charges from alternator and solar. We do have an 80 watt solar panel on the roof. So I mean, basic thing, we've just got fuse panel there. We do have a C-Tech basically meter to keep an eye on the batteries, so that'll tell him voltage, power in, power out basically. A couple of switches in there, one for compressor and one for the lights. We got lighting in here as well, and then just a couple of outlights basically. USBs, accessory sockets on the inside there, and then we stuck one real sneaky one on the outside of the ute here, just if he needed to run an extra fridge or anything on the rear of the truck. So it's a super handy little plug. But yeah, got the MSA DS40 for the 40 litre drop down slide, and he's running the angle obviously.
Like, share and subscribe to Oz 4x4 Sales.